get another older one. Cool. And now we can get a front row seat this time.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
This is the real attraction, what I wanted to see.
Exit here for all B gates.
Like a real, yeah, Chicago.
Please watch your step. The train is arriving. Please keep clear for passengers exiting the train. Board here. Watch your step.
Do you have your phone?
The doors are closing. Please keep clear of the doors. This train is departing. Exit here for all A gates. Please. The doors are closing. Please keep clear. Please keep clear of the doors. This train is departing.
Yeah.
Welcome to Denver. This is Mayor Michael Hancock. Please remember to keep yourself and others safe by wearing a mask or face covering and maintaining physical distance from others where possible. Thank you for visiting Den, and we hope that you get to enjoy our amazing outdoor activities in the beautiful Mile High City and destinations beyond.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claim.
I love that train chime.
This is the terminal. All passengers please exit and follow signs to ground transportation and baggage claim. Please watch your step. All passengers please exit.